Today's topic for discussion is Aspergillus rot disease of plum. Plum, it is a very common fruit of India and it gets infected by several types of fungi. Aspergillus rot, it is a very common rot disease of plum and it is of major importance. Hence it is described as major market diseases of plum. Aspergillus, it is a saprophytic fungus which occurs everywhere. Let us see all the details of the Aspergillus rot disease of plum. What happened in 2005, Singh and Thakur, these are the plant pathologists, isolated Aspergillus niger from stored fruits of jujube as well as plum and several types of fruits which are available in market get infected by Aspergillus. And according to them, they have reported 25% loss of fruits. And let us see the symptoms which are caused by the Aspergillus. Photograph is shown. This photograph is taken from the market of Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Let us see the symptoms. The infected fruits possesses yellow colored base. Initially yellow colored, irregularly grey spot appears on the fruit skin and gradually the spots get mixed and a large patch is formed. The spots at maturity turn into dark brown to black in color. The mesocarp of fruits becomes soft and depressed. Infected stalk end region of the fruit that causes drooping of the fruits. Singh, one of the scientists, he has reported decrease of ascorbic acid content of the fruit. Ascorbic acid, it is a vitamin C. It is a vitamin C that get decreased in the fruit after infection by Aspergillus. And the injured fruits are more susceptible for infection. Infection starts at stem end region of the fruit, but the infection definitely can start at injured region of the fruit at any stage of the fruit development. Mature stored fruits are highly susceptible for infection of black mold fungus. The Aspergillus, it is also known as black mold fungus because it grows, a moldy growth is developed on the infected region. The spores which are produced by this fungus, they are dark black in color. The infected fruit possesses circular water-soaked spots on the fruit at initial stage and gradually the infection increases and the infected region get covered by a moldy growth of the fungus. The pulp of infected fruit becomes very soft that emit a fermented odor and black moldy growth is very soon occurs on the infected region which is visible. Let us see the causal organism, details of the causal organism. The post-harvest disease of plum or the market disease of plum, it is caused by Aspergillus niger. It is the name of fungus. According to Sharma and Sumbali in 2019, they have reported the cultural and morphological characteristics of Aspergillus niger and they have grown this fungus on potato dextrose agar and they have observed the colony of the Aspergillus. Within 3 to 4 days the entire plate was filled. The conidial heads developed were very large which measure about 3 μm to 15 to 20 μm in diameter. The conidial heads were globose, dark brown and that the conidiophores are smooth walled, hyaline and gradually they turn dark toward the vesicle. The conidial heads are biseriate with the phyllites bone on the brown, often septate, metulate. The conidia are globose or to subglobose in shape, dark brown to black in color, rough walled. The outer wall is termed as exine and the inner wall of the spore is termed as intine. Such many spores are developed by this fungus and these spores are very easily blown away by wind or by any mechanical agency, and whenever this fungus that comes in contact with the injured fruit or any other suitable substratum that grows on that and causes disease. Let us see the control measures of the disease. For control measures, after harvest of the fruit, it is very difficult to use the fungicide for management. Just the cultural methods can reduce the disease intensity. We have to remove injured or broken fruits before packing of fruits before transport, during transportation. Use of soft and clean material for packing purpose can reduce the injuries to the fruit. Dry aerated storehouses can reduce the disease intensity. These are the some cultural methods of disease control. This is all about Aspergillus rot disease of plum, which is of major importance.